that's the first firework. We're going to be shooting more fireworks. Later on, we got some more in testing. Those were Dynamite rolls. Now we're going to shoot some more. My dad's just getting them ready, so we could just shoot them up in the air. I think they are. If you can't hear me, then, like, wow. I have a light now, so I can see better.
You ready?
Okay. Now we're going to be shooting a big bomb. Time bomb. It won't be like doo-doo-doo. Just time bomb.
Hey, sir! Don't go in the sea!
By the way, this is getting filmed by Wedgefield. It's about to explode. You see the flame?
Oh, my privileged ears.
It's not working.
Oh, Jesus!
Okay. Okay, that's firework number 2. We have one more. It's going to be a big bomb in the air. By the way, tomorrow, 4th of July, we're going to be shooting. So, yeah, we're going to be shooting. I just wanted you guys to know that. And please subscribe. Please subscribe, because, like, I have, like, 3 subscribers. I hope you guys see this. Okay.
All right, Stevie, Imani or Stevie, come on.
I can't. My sister is gonna help my dad shoot big bombs. If you hear people, those are just visitors that came over to see. We have some neighbors. Different people. Over there, if you can see them, that's where they are. I'm gonna. Still getting it ready. They're right. They're like right there. Right there.
Whoa! Oh, God.
That's it?
No.
Epic fail.
There's gonna be more. It's just like they're little balls that go in the cannon, and then they go up. So I'm pretty sure that's the last thing. It was a very short video, but it's like still.
All right, Stevie, you haven't warmed me up yet.
Is it gonna be louder?
Second,
Oh, God.
it's about to launch. You can see it.
It's about to get loud.
Stevie, go
This is where it's about to get loud. This is where it's about to get loud. Oh, yes.
Run, Dad! Run, Dad! That one was nice.
That one was not cool.
Lucky that you are watching fireworks at all, saying that it's not lucky.
Burning off some from last year. That's last year? Yeah.
Dad, can you shoot the bottle rockets?
No, I'm not shooting nothing tomorrow, Bobby.
Oh, you're shooting things right now.
That's from last year.
Yeah, those are from last year. Those bottle rockets.
I'm not burning no bottle rockets.
Trying to get views.
I think if Justin went to the NBA, he'd probably be like a person. He'd be in a funeral lot. They probably be like big man. He'd probably be like.
There's a kid behind me keeps on saying, "Don't go on the street."
His number's not.
Where are you, Dad? Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
Okay, now that one.
One after the other, so they all go up one after the other, Stevie.
Did it blow up? The cannon blow up? Oh. guy that thought the cannon blew up. I'm pointing it right there. That's the door because my dad's going to be like right next to it. By the way, that's not ready.
Oh no.
It's not even the 4th and all I hear is boom right now. Run!
I wonder who can climb that. The water.
Choprong!
Again! I wonder who can climb the water. Again! There's more. It's like a
Okay,
ground.
more.
No, one person.
This video is so lame. I think I'm gonna get like 1 subscriber from all this. But it's worth it.
Don't make me cry.
That's a neighbor, that's my dad. Oh, it stinks like fireworks.
Yeah, no, he's taking a break because he doesn't want to continue the break.
What happened, Yadiel?
I want to stay here.
Oh, what happened? You don't want to
So mosquitoes.
Why?
He said no. He said
You want to sit next to Fernando, Yadiel?
He said no. Because
I never said fine.
I said so.
Oh, no. Oh, you order pizza?
I want pizza. Can I get a large pepperoni pizza?
I guess we're stuck.
Please and thank you. Better bring it back in 15 minutes with my change.
It's off.
Oh my
Eli
God.
missing out.
Move. Neighbor, move.
Again. We're about to do fireworks tomorrow. We're about to do fireworks tomorrow.
You are?
One more, just wait until I lay down.
By the way, that shirt that says staff is my sister. So don't worry about anything. This is a house, a regular house.
No, it's just time.
Again.
I called everyone here because we were playing basketball. And then I was like, come. We're about to shoot fireworks. They're like, no, we're playing a game. Then it took like 15 minutes to come over here. So, yeah, so we're going to keep on going.
You go to season.
Hello. Stop growing the brown. You can get paid.
That's the one that keeps us saying don't go on the street. Like, come on.
Stop getting pale. No, don't lie. I saw that.
And off he goes.
No, I was in a murder. I crossed up.
Okay, the reason he's coming back because he has to take the barrel break. If you don't, then if you
You
don't,
want to see more? $100 a ball.
okay, Dad. Dad, you know that bottle rocket's in the garage from last year.
2.5.
Can I get a beer?
Yeah, we clean it.
We are tomorrow. No. I don't want this crazy.
Dad, that's it? That's it? Okay. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys can see me. And we will end it and post it. Goodbye.